Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Owner, and if it's your first time stopping by, you are highly welcome. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful Nigerian traditional bridal look. So stay tuned. The eyebrows are done, so we're going straight to the eyeshadow. I'll be using my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions. I'll be using the yellow shade and the red shade together as a transition shade. I'm going in with my Usha's Highlight 21 Plus eyeshadow, the blue matte color. And I'll be using that as my blue base. I'll be using the blue shimmer eyeshadow on top of the blue base. Draw a V shape facing her eyelashes, and I'm just going to fill it in. So I'll just use my foundation to clean under the eyeliner. I'm just using my blending brush to blend the foundation into her skin. So for the foundation, I'm going to use my classic foundation in the shade CF05. I'll be using my foundation brush to apply the foundation over her face. To set the foundation, I'm using my Usha's powder palette. To highlight, I'm using the same powder palette to highlight under her eyes, her forehead, the bridge of her nose, and her chin. As you can see, I'm not rubbing, I'm just dabbing the powder on her face, just placing it on her face. I'm going in with my classic face definer to contour her face. To contour, I'm just going to go in circular motion from the top of her ear. For her nose, I'm just using my fluffy brush to contour her nose. I'm using my classic super lash glue to fix her eyelashes. So I'll be using my Adventure wine color lip stain and MAC lip stain in the shade 03 for her lips. After placing the lip stain rather, I'll just use my lipstick brush to blend everything into her lips. So I'm just dusting off the excess powder on her face with my blending brush. So I'm going with my classic face definer to bronze her face, her cheekbones, and the bridge of her nose. And I'm using my fan brush for her cheekbones, and then I'm going to use my pointing finger for the bridge of her nose. So I'm going in with my NYX matte finish setting spray to set the whole makeup. So guys, that is the end of this beautiful Nigerian traditional bridal makeup. If you enjoyed the video, please just give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, and share my video, and also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye, thank you.